What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have the most anticipated mod that I've been waiting for, and it's not on the outside of the vehicle, it's actually inside the vehicle. So one of the things that I hate most on these new 4th gen Tacomas, if you don't get the premium package, is the seats that come with it. The seats that are on these are horrible, especially the design and the fact that the main area is a light gray color. So if you're pretty much anybody in the summer, that gets pretty nasty from sweat, from spillage, from anything, from dirt. If you got some dirt on your pants, you hop in, that just transfers right over to the gray that's on the seat, and it's a pain to get off. So what we have done here is we have installed some new seat covers from the one and only PRP. They have been around for a long time, and they've been doing mostly like race trucks and more premium stuff. And we've done a review on a set of seat covers on our channel from a different company before on a customer's vehicle. However, we wanted something a little more high-end premium on our vehicle that is more of a one-off. So what we did here, you can see here, we chose, and this took a while, we chose the multi-cam black for the center with the cross stitching pattern. You can see that runs down the middle up to the mid back, and then we've put our logo right on top here, right under the headrest. And then we've added this kind of cement gray color around the headrest, a little bit up here on the shoulders. We also went with the gray stitching. So one of the things with PRP is that you can pretty much select everything you want, so you can fully customize this to your needs, and that's exactly what I wanted to do with our truck. So now anything that gets on here, we can literally just take it off, wash it if we want to, and put it back in here, and it will be brand new again. So let's take a look at the back here. In the back here, obviously this will cover the entire back seat. That will also still allow you to fully use your seat how it will fold down. So both on the 40% side and the 60% side. We also have our logo on the back here with the PRP on the headrest, just like the front. This section here, we have a black back here. This is kind of like a faux leather, so you can get real leather, I believe, but same exact pattern back here. You can already see that we've put it to use here. We got some dog hair back here that just should be easy to clean, so we'll check that first. But from what I can see so far, it should be really easy to clean. But I really love the multi-cam black look. It kind of adds like a really nice tactical look to the whole truck, and I personally like how it fits and everything. You still got the little tabs on the side here, so if you wanted to hang up the bench seat, you can, and still has all access to the child cart seat clips down here. Have access to the seatbelt buckles down there, and overall it just looks really good. And I really like that you can fully customize everything on this. If you're in the market for some seat covers that are more premium, because there's a lot of cheap options out there, and you want to be able to select your own stitching, your own pattern, maybe put your own logo, whatever you want, I will have a link down below to how you could do that, and you can click that and go through, play with it, and then see how much it'll cost to do all of this. You can make this whole thing some kind of soft text or a leather if you wanted to, but I'll have it down there for you if you want to check it out. But that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time.